Yes, children, we have completed the poem, isn't it? Now, let us go through the C reading from the first unit. So, first unit, C reading. That is Little Bobby. Little Bobby. So, who is this little Bobby? Why the title of the lesson is The Little Bobby. Understood, children? So, what is the story being dealt with it? So, we are going to know through the reading of this lesson. There is no much explanation being given in this lesson. Only the main characters in the lessons are the mother and Bobby. Bobby and his mother. Understood, children? These two main characters are there. Little Bobby. Little means, what do you understand by little? Small. Very young. Understood? Not in size, but young in age. Little means small boy. That is, the name of the boy is Bobby. Little means a small boy named as Bobby. So, what the lesson deals with? Let us go through it through the reading of the lesson. Little Bobby came into the kitchen where his mother was making dinner. Little Bobby entering into the kitchen, his mother is making the dinner. At that time he enters the kitchen. His birthday was coming up and he thought this was a good time to tell his mother what he wanted. Yes, children. So, what was the time? The time while the mother was having the preparation of the dinner. So, it was a good time for him. Good time for him in order to say something. So, what is that something? His birthday was coming. His birthday was coming. The celebration of the birthday has to take place or something might be there in his mind. So, as his birthday was coming, he thought this was a good time. What time? The mother in the kitchen preparing the dinner. That is the time. To tell his mother what he wanted. Something he wanted for his birthday. Something he wanted for his birthday. To ask. He thought that it was a good time for him while his mother was in the kitchen. Mom, I want a bike for my birthday. Now we know what is that he wanted for his birthday. What he wanted for his birthday, now we are knowing. I want a bike. I want a bike. Yes. Little Bobby was a bit of a troublemaker. Now they are giving you about the character of Bobby. What type of boy was Bobby? He was a troublemaker. Troublemaker, one who often causes trouble. The meaning has been given at the back. One who often causes trouble is called as a troublemaker. Some children will be there. They will be always a troublemaker, not only in home, not only at home, but also in school also. Understood, children? So here, Bobby was a troublemaker. Let us see. Was a bit of a troublemaker. He had gotten into trouble. Just now what I told you already, it has come in the next line. He had gotten. Gotten means it is the past participle of get. Get, got, gotten. Past participle. You have learned about the past participle, children. Understood? Gotten is the past participle of get. He had gotten into trouble at school and at home. Not only he was a troublemaker at home, but also he was a troublemaker at school also. Yes, children, he was a troublemaker at school as well as at home. Bobby's mother asked him if he thought he deserved to get a bike for his birthday. Deserved, qualified to have something. This meaning also being given at the back, children. Qualified to have something is called as the deserved. Bobby's mother asked him. So when Bobby had gone for asking his mother that he wanted to have a bike for his birthday, mother is asking him, what she is asking him, are you deserving in order to get a bike? Deserved means qualified to have something. Little Bobby, of course, thought he did. Little Bobby, of course, he thought that, yes, I did. What's wrong I have done? Why not in that way? Bobby's mother wanted Bobby to reflect on his behavior. Reflect. Already we know that he was a troublemaker. Troublemaker at home, troublemaker at school. You see? Bobby's mother wanted Bobby to reflect on his behavior, think over his behavior. To think over his behavior. Yes, children. Over the last year, I said, go to your room, Bobby, and think about how you have behaved this year. He deserved to have a bike. For this, she is asking him to go back to his room and think over the mistakes what he had done for the last year. Then write letter to God. Then write a letter to God. Then write a letter to God and tell him why you deserve a bike for your birthday. She wants her son to repent on her mistakes. On his mistakes. Sorry, not her, on his. She wants her son to repent on his mistakes. To repent on the mistakes makes her son asking to go for thinking about the mistakes, whatever he had gone for doing it in the last year. Little Bobby stumped up the steps to his room. Walking in a noisy way. He might have been wearing his shoes or something. He got angry on the words of his mother. He's just stumping his legs and walking towards his room. Stumped up the steps. Up the steps means the room might be on the above floor, and this made him to go for climbing the steps by stumping them. Jessie, his pet dog, followed him. Along with him, who followed? His dog. What's the name of the dog? Jessie. Bobby thought for some time and sat down to write a letter to God. Mother asking him in order to write a letter to God, no? To repent his mistakes. Whatever mistakes he has done during the last year, that he has to write it in the form of a letter to God. Jessie sat beside him and started watching what Bobby was doing. His dog is keeping a watch on him. What he was doing. What Bobby was doing. The Jesse is having a watch on him. Now let us see the letters. What Bobby is writing to God. Yes, children. Letter 1. Dear God, I have been a very good boy this year. And I would like a bike for my birthday. I want a red one. He says in the letter that he had been a very good boy that year and he would like a bike for his birthday, and even he mentions the color of the bike. Your friend Bobby. So he is the friend of the God there. Yes, children. So he is the friend of the God, saying that your friend, and writing the name at the end. Bobby knew that this was not true. Bobby is knowing that it was not true. Why? He was a mischievous boy. He created every time the mischief. And this made him to feel that whatever he has written in the letter is not true. He had not been a very good boy this year. So he tore up the letter and started again to write another letter. So this made him to go for tearing it up, that whatever he has written in the letter is not true. Tess starts again to write another letter. Letter 2, let us see. Dear God, this is your friend Bobby. I have been a good boy this year and I would like a red bike for my birthday. Thank you. Once again he mentions over there. This is your friend Bobby. I have been a good boy this year. I have been a very good boy this year. And I would like to have a red bike for my birthday. Thank you. Your friend Bobby. Yes. Bobby knew that this wasn't true either. How can you say that this wasn't true either? Because he had not been a good boy at all. Not been a good boy means he was always troublesome. He was always troublesome. Troublesome why? Troublesome at the school. Troublesome at the home also. Bobby knew that this wasn't true either. So he tore up the letter and started again. This was the second letter, ended. Now let us see about the letter 3. Dear God, I have been an okay boy this year. He mentions that he was an okay boy. Neither he says that I was a good boy nor a bad boy. But gone for saying okay boy. I still would really like a bike for my birthday. I still would really like a bike for my birthday. As he was a okay boy, so he still deserves in order to have a bike on his birthday. Then Bobby, no mentioning that he was a friend or nothing. Yes, Bobby knew he could not send this letter to God either. So Bobby wrote the fourth letter, because we have a self-consciousness in us. If we say a false, if we say the untruth, we know that we are cheating. The mother wanted to repent her son on his mistakes. So this made asking him in order to write the letter to God. Is it, children? So how many letters he is writing? He is not satisfied with those letters. 3 letters over. 3 letters he has gone for tearing them. Now it is the 4th letter. Let us see what he has written in the 4th letter. God, I know I haven't been a good boy this year. I know I haven't been a good boy this year. I am very sorry. I will be a good boy if you just send me a bike for my birthday. Now this is the real fact being brought out. What was in the mind of the Bobby? Is it, children? Yes, I know I haven't been a good boy this year. I am very sorry. I will be a good boy if you just send me a bike for my birthday. Keeps a promise over to God, saying that if you send me a bike, I will be a good boy this year, for the coming year. That's the coming year. Understood? Please, thank you. Requesting the God in order to send him a bike. Bobby. Bobby knew, even if it was true, this letter was not going to get him a bike. Bobby was knowing. Even the letter, even whatever he has written in the letter, it is true also, it's not going to get him a bike. Not going to get him a bike. Now, Bobby was very upset. He went downstairs and told his mom that he wanted to go to church. Understood, children? So where he wanted to go for? To the church. Bobby's mother thought that her plan had worked. What plan mother had made to repent on the mistakes of the Bobby, it has worked. As Bobby looked very sad. So how she came to know that the plan had worked? Due to the observation of the face of the Bobby. Just be home in time for dinner, Bobby's mother told him. Bobby walked down the street to the church on the corner. So where is the church? In the corner of that house. He had gone to the church. Little Bobby went into the church and up to the altar. Altar means it's a holy table in a church. Altar means what, children? A holy table in a church. Holy table in the church is called as the altar. Yes. He looked around to see if anyone was there. He's seeing here and there anyone is there in the church. He looked around to see if anyone was there. Bobby bent down and picked up a small statue of Mary, the Mother of God. There was a statue of Mary, the Mother of God. God here is Jesus. Jesus' mother is Mary. So there was a statue of Mother Mary. He saw here and there and took hold of that statue. He slipped the statue under his shirt. Slipped the statue under his shirt means he is hiding that statue in his shirt. And ran out of the church. Down the street. Understood, children? Into the house and up to his room. He came to his home and climbed back to his room. He shut the door of his room and sat down with a piece of paper and pen. Bobby began to write his letter to God. Now he has gone for robbing. Robbing what? The statue of God's mother. Is it, children? Yes. Bobby began to write his letter to the God. Letter 5. This is letter 5. God, I have kidnapped your mom. If you want to see her again, send the boy. What a good plan he has made here, children. Robbing the statue of the Mother Mary. Asking the God that if you want your mother back, send me the bike. Bobby. So this lesson has been written by Richa Rao. The author of the lesson is Richa Rao. Is it possible for the Bobby to get the bike by robbing the mother of God? No, children. It is the innocence. It is the innocence of the children's mind. Mother asking him in order to repent on his mistakes. But he continued to write the letter, and that there was no useful, as the truth was hidden in his mind that he had created as a troublemaker throughout the year. It was not so easy for him in order to get the bike, and this made him at last, if I want the bike, I had to go for robbing the mother of God. Yes. So read the lesson and go for understanding it, children. We'll be continuing in the next class.